Hi little learners, today we have a perfectly playful letter to explore. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's the letter P. Let's have some fun with words that start with P.
P is for parrot, perched so high. Peacock dances, spreading wings to the sky. Pumpkin is round, big and bright. Pear is juicy, a yummy delight. Panda is cuddly, black and white. Pink soft pillows feel so light. Pen writes letters, making words grow. Potato for fries, oh what a show. Pizza so cheesy, we all want a slice. Pillow so fluffy, cozy and nice. Letter P is perfect, playful and bright. Let's learn more with joy and delight.
Now let's trace the letter P together. Get your fingers ready. Fantastic job! You traced the letter P perfectly. Keep practicing and have fun learning more letters. See you next time.
Spreading wings to the sky.